Reincarnated, I was stargazing. Life goes on, I need all my babies.
Woke up. Hey, it's Justin here from Perth Pro and Klarman. Today we've just got a custom camper trailer. The customer bought these parts a while back and then decided to ask us to do the install. So we've just got the usual. We've got a Victron 2000 watt inverter, Victron MPPT 130, the Egon DC hub, the Egon water hub. Then you've also got your 240 volt inlet, GPO outlets, central locking throughout, including the canopy and all the drawers at the front. And then yeah, your national lunar lights on both doors. We've got 2 on each side. We've got work lights, 2 on each side as well. So we've got our light force, utility lights there. So yeah, we've got all our switches here for your lights and your water pumps. Up the top, another GPO. And then once again, national lunar lights on the doors. If you're after an installation similar to this one or another installation, feel free to contact us at Perth Pro and head to our website to check us out.